Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to log out of Monopoly Go. Whether you are switching to a different account or just need a break from the game, logging out is super easy. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. So, let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Once you are in the game, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. In the menu, tap on Settings option. After that, click on Manage Account. Then, just click on Disconnect if you are playing through Facebook or Google. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to disconnect from Facebook. Tap on Disconnect and you will be logged out of the game. If your game is linked to Google, you'll need to remove it from your account settings. Open Settings on your phone and go to Google, select All Services, then go to Connected Apps, find Monopoly Go in the list, click Delete All Connection, and that's it. Now you know how to easily log out of Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.